Welcome back, everyone, to Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad. It is Tuesday, March 19th. Let's jump right into it. Today, we're going to probably end early because while we have important things to cover, it wasn't, how should I say? It was very narrowly focused, the market. And if you follow me on Substack Notes, you would have known that I was posting about NVIDIA this morning because that really was the North Star, so to speak, to guide us this AM right at the open. And I'll cover that today, but I don't want to deviate from the format. So today we had 465 new highs versus 178 new lows, bullish slant. We had 63% of stocks advancing versus 32% declining. And looking at the 50-day moving average, we had 39% below its 50-day, and we had 34% below its 200-day moving average. Now, we opened on the Dow right where we closed. On the NASDAQ and the S&P, we opened below where we closed. And there was a hangover from the NVIDIA keynote on Monday. Jensen Huang had, the second half. I stopped watching it because it was so bad. But I think what I missed was like the second half. He talked about robots and AI and self-driving. And he had R2D2 look-alike robots from Disney come out, and he was scolding the robot for not coming here. Come here now. Stop wasting time. That robot is probably going to go kill him in the future, like the Terminator. But I digress. I mean, it was a horrible keynote, and I think we had hangover from it. And everyone was just selling off risk, selling off NVIDIA in the AM, even pre-market. And I put together a very cheesy video on my YouTube channel, which I rarely ever post other than like the repost of the podcasts. But I basically recorded the live stream of the NVIDIA chart right around 10 o'clock. And we were threatening to break the lows of that Monday session of March 8th. And I didn't narrate it. I put the score of Dune as the background music to this. Like, oh my God, if this breaks, it's like gonna be war. And sure enough, that marked the bottom of the day for NVIDIA, as well as the bottom for the entire equity market. And we rallied off of that tag to the penny of the March 8th session. Now, I am not your guru. This is not magic. I am not, Paul Atreides and the Chosen One. The outworlder here, drinking worm piss to get foresight into the markets. This is simply the psychology being drawn on the chart. And it's clear as day to me. It doesn't have to be to the penny, but that if we were to break that March 8th low on NVIDIA, all hell was going to break loose. Sell orders, stop losses were going to be triggered. Institutions were going to start selling, and selling begets selling on Wall Street. So that level had to be defended at least once, right? Because if they don't defend it at least one time, people are really going to start panicking. So it was defended to the penny at the open around 10-ish o'clock. This should have been a surprise to no one that follows me on Substack. So where do we go from here? And I'll cover this as we peel the onion here. But it's not going to be a long, drawn-out episode today. So once we bounced from that March 8th low, everything rallied. I'm talking like sushi companies, things that are not even related to AI. So this was a broad rally day, not based on fundamentals, but on animal spirits and someone on Wall Street or a few people on the Wall Street, the institution saying buy, 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 hitting that algorithmic button saying defend this area. I don't know if it was Biden. I don't know if it was Jerome Powell. I don't know if it was Jamie Dimon or all of the above. But it was a concerted effort to not let that area break down. So if you have to go and do your own chores or get ready for dinner, that was all that really happened today. I know you're going to see CNBC and, oh, Dow up 300, bull market, blah, blah, blah. That is all that happened today. We got to the point of collapse, near-term collapse, and it was defended, and it bounced hard. That was it. But let's go through the individual names. What was strong today? Yext up 10.11%. This is all percent. Kura Sushi up 9.13. K. Hovnanian Home Builder up 8.19. Kava, the Greek quick serve restaurant, up 4.92. Synopsis up 4.3. Boyle up 4.13. That's natural gas. Sweet green salad because of Nvidia up 3.94. Klaviyo up 3.92. The short Bitcoin ETF BITI up 3.8%. Paysafe up 3.59. DR Horton Home Builder up 3.02. Extreme Networks up 2.93. TriPoint Homes up 2.6. Zeta Global up 2.5. Natural gas futures contract up 2.4. Beazer Homes up 2.38. Now, what was weak? Despite all of the bouncing and saving of Nvidia, AMD down 4.84%. VinFast Autos down 4.06%. ARM Holdings down 3.98%. Coinbase down 3.96%. Bitcoin ETF down 3.8%. BTCO. BRRR, another Bitcoin down 3.79%. IBIT, another Bitcoin down 3.78%. ACMR Research down 3.77%. Fidelity Bitcoin, FBTC down 3.72%. ARC Innovations Bitcoin down 3.66%. The VIX down 3.56%. BTG down 3.5%. Pan American Silver down 3.4%. New York Community Bank down 3.3%. AI down 2.62%. Kinross Gold down 2.47%. Barrick Gold, ticker symbol GOLD, down 2.43%. Carvana down 2.36%. GDXJ Junior Miners down 2.26%. And GDX Miners down 2.19%. So that was the summary of the day for the free subscribers. As a reminder, you still have 2 weeks to sign up for the 20% annual discount on premium membership. If you want to try it for 7 days for free, all you have to do is email me at nyugrad@protonmail.com or just direct message me right on Substack, and I'll hook that up, no problem. But it's 40 cents per day. Just on this one trade alone, I could have probably made you that $180 or $144 on the annual premium membership. So please check that out. For premium members, please stay on.